very cutesy, very modest, very demure. So don't mind me, my hair is very dirty right now because I just took out my knotless braids. I figured before I go in and style my actual hair that I do this real cute wig review for you guys. So the wig that I am reviewing today is from the company called Zlike. Super cute, hot pink packaging with the gold lettering. We love that. Open it up. It's packaged very nicely. So you get this really pretty pink bag to store your wig in. They gave me one of these bows. I've been meaning to get one of these. These are so cute. Then you get a bag with some goodies for your wig. And of course you get your wig. I'm pretty excited for this wig because the texture that they sent me is one of my favorite textures that I like to wear when I do wear a wig. And it is like a kinky straight Yaki type of texture. So this is the hair. She's nice and long. She's very thick, very soft too. So let's get into the specs of this wig. So this is a 7x5 lace closure wig. The texture of this is Yaki straight, and like I said, it is very, very soft. I haven't done anything to this hair. I just took it out of the box and it's like this. It's very, very nice and soft. This is 24 inches and I believe this comes with baby hair. Also, if I didn't mention it already, this is a glueless wig. Y'all know I love me a glueless wig. It is already pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting any lace off. This is how the inside of the wig looks. So like I said, you get that 7x5 lace closure inside. You also get your band at the back so that you can wear your wig glueless and it stays on nice and secure. I do like to show you guys the hairline before I put it on my head and do anything to it so we can see if it's pre-plucked or not. So that's how the hairline is looking. To me, I don't know, what do y'all think? To me it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on, put this wig on my head, and we'll see how it looks. So before we talk about anything else, I just want to let you guys know how soft this hair is. It's super duper soft. As y'all can see, fingers are gliding right through it. No tangles. Ooh, it's like uber soft. The hair is very thick, so we do love that. And the lace is laying down nice and flat. And I'm gonna take some bronzer and just kind of fix it up so that it blends in better. I didn't glue anything down. So far it's looking pretty good. So like as you guys can see, again, I didn't really melt it in yet. Just like I do with all of my wigs, I am going to go in and use my spritz just to really melt it in. I'm not going to use any glue, but like I said, just straight out of the box, the hair looks really good. So let's go ahead and customize it to my liking, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts about this hair from Zlike. You guys saw I did go in and melt my lace with that with the spritz. Went in with a wax stick in my part and around like the front of the wig and my hot comb to like really lay it down nice and flat the way that I like it. The wig looks really good. So I'm going to take off this melting band to see how the lace is looking. And let me just go in and part it here since I missed that when I had the band on and I parted it. What do we think? I think that this wig looks so good. First of all, the hair, like let's get into it because I love the texture of this hair. Like I told you guys in the beginning, my favorite hair is literally a kinky straight or yaki straight hair. It's just something about it. It mimics natural black girl hair and it just looks the most natural. Like whenever you wear kinky straight or yaki straight hair, it literally looks the most natural to me. It looks like how my hair looks when I blow it out. And I'm gonna go for a kinky straight or yaki straight texture every single time. The girls that get it, and if you don't, you don't. Like you guys can really see the texture all throughout the wig. I'll show you guys the length. It comes to like the top of my waist and it's just beautiful. This hair is beautiful. I want to cut some layers into it, but at the same time the hair is so pretty that I really don't want to cut it. Like I always cut layers into my wigs just so that it could frame my face a little better, but I don't know if I can bring myself to cut this wig. Then like the luster to it is really nice. It's not super shiny, but it's also not dry either. Now what I will say about the lace, I have a big head and I've got a big forehead. I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I first put the wig on, you could kind of see my baby hairs in front of the lace. So what I did was I cut like the very end part of the lace closure, and then I just combed my actual baby hair forward so that it looked more seamless, because otherwise you guys would have seen the lace just sitting like right on top, not on top but like behind my baby hair, and it just looked weird. So I kind of customized it so it fit my head better. But let's get into how the lace is like really melted. You know what? I want to see if I can pull this hair back into like a half up, half down type of situation and use a little bow that they sent me to see how it looks. This hair is really thick, so it's kind of hard to get the bow in it. But I want to turn around so you guys can see the back and hope for the best. Hope that it looks cute. And if it don't judge me because I can't see the back of my hair. Is it giving very cutesy, very demure, very modest? I wish you could see the bow from the front, but it's just so much hair. And I didn't even really slick the top part down like I could have. I just wanted to do a different style for the purposes of this video, and just so that you guys can see that you can style your wig more than one way. Overall, what would I give this hair? She's getting a 10 out of 10. 10s across the board for me. 10s across the board for me because the lace was super easy to melt. It was already cut when I took it out of the box. I did not have to do any extra plucking on the hairline, and I think that the plucking looks really good. It did not have any tangles whatsoever. Even like up under here is not tangling. The hair is very long, so they said that this is 24 inches, and it may even be a little bit longer than 24 inches. The hair is extremely full, and like I told you guys, it's very soft. I love the texture. It was very easy to style. Straight out of the box, the hair was very nice. I would definitely recommend it if you guys are looking for like a yaki straight wig. Get this one, and it's super affordable. So if you guys are interested in checking this specific wig out, I will list it down below in the description box, so you guys can head over to Zlike's website and check it out for yourselves. That's it for me, guys. So if you have any questions for me at all about this hair, then drop it down below in the comments. And if you like this type of content, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you click subscribe and join the fam. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.